Hello, welcome to my channel Maison Network. Previously, I had posted the starter kit of Relx Relx device and port starter kit. This one, okay, and I bought a separate the another port. So I want to unboxing just. Want to tell you what's inside and the product. So I bought this only 14 ringgit, 14 ringgit. I bought 14 ringgit at Mix Store, Sun University in Malaysia, in KL. Okay, so let's unboxing and have a look at the front packaging on the side, behind, on the other side, below, on top. Okay, let's unboxing. Okay. So like this is the pot. Okay, so that's it. We had unboxing. We had unboxed the product already. So yeah, if you're interested, you can find it online. There's a lot of stores that sell it, but like me, I bought at Mix Store, Mix.store at Sun University in Malaysia. 14 ringgit only. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.